In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check transaction of any account code in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find a complete list of movements for a specific ledger account so you can verify entries, answer queries, or prepare reconciliations with confidence. Start by opening Xero and signing into your organization. When your dashboard loads, take a second to confirm you're in the correct company file, especially if you have access to more than one. This helps make sure the figures you're about to review are accurate for the business you're working on. Next, head to Reporting. This menu is your hub for all of Xero's financial reports. We're going to use a report designed to show every line posted to a single account, making it perfect for drilling into activity behind balances on your chart of accounts. From the reporting area, open the Account Transactions report. This report is sometimes described as a detailed ledger view. It lists each transaction line that has affected an account, along with the date, contact or payee, reference, the source of the entry, and the debit or credit amount. It's the clearest way to answer, what exactly makes up this account's balance? On the Account Transactions page, set up the view so it shows only what you need. Use the Account field to choose the account code you're interested in. If you're not sure of the exact code, start typing the account name and Xero will suggest matches as you go. Then select the date range you want to analyze. You can pick a preset, like this month or last quarter, or use a custom start and end date for a precise period, such as your full financial year. When your selections are set, click Update to refresh the report. You'll now see a chronological list of entries that hit the account within your chosen dates. Scan the columns to understand the story. The date confirms timing, the contact shows who it relates to, the reference and source help identify the original document or journal, and the debit or credit indicates the direction of the movement. If the list is long, try narrowing the date range to speed up loading and keep your review focused. For a quick sense check, glance at the running total to see how the balance changed over time, and sort by column headers if you want to group similar items together on screen. That's all there is to it. Open Xero, go to Reporting, choose Account Transactions, pick your account code, set the dates, and update. With this workflow, you can quickly validate details, answer stakeholder questions, and keep your financials tidy and transparent.